again, they issue you toilet paper in there, and you just kind of roll it up. Kind of just roll it, roll it, roll it. And then what you do is,
I have a sudden urge to flush right now. I don't know.
you kind of tuck in all everything. Just kind of tuck it in. Now, keep in mind we're using a different type of toilet paper. They normally give you that little thin, the thin
One ply.
one ply. We're using I think it's a 3 ply. So you get it, you got it rolled up, you get it lit. There's your flame.
Wow.
And then as you get your mustard packs, and you start basically just heating these up, and then you drop it in water, and they harden up.
So once it's real hot and you just pull it off.
And then you start it starts forming, and then at the end you'll have a shank that's hard. So you just keep going with it.
This is amazing right now. I've never even seen something like this. And this is, do you guys use this to cook at least too?
We cook, we make coffee, we do all kinds of sorts of things with toilet paper.
How long will this generally last?
Oh, it depends on how I roll it. It'll last, you know, a good 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and we just keep going.
I'm amazed. So basically you're taking regular mustard packs, getting rid of all the mustard,
Right.
and you just start rolling it up?
Start rolling it up, burning it, it starts melting. You drop it in your toilet, because you have your toilet there. It hardens up with water.
Okay.
And then basically you keep doing it. It's repetitive. You just keep going all day until you got your nice hard little shank. That it's almost like this. This is not the finished product, but look how hard it is already. It's just off of mustard packs.
How long is this going to generally take to do a mustard pack?
Oh, this will take me maybe 2 days,
Yeah.
depending how hard I want it and how big I want it.
Okay.
If I can make it 12 inches, depends how many mustard packs I have.
And where do you generally get the mustard packs from?
When they serve you lunch, so you gotta kind of wait for. It could be ketchup packs, mayonnaise packs, any type of pack that you want, that you can get from whatever type of food that they give you.
Okay.
Lunch, dinner. So if they're serving hot dogs and hamburgers, they give you mustard and ketchup and mayonnaise,
Just
in packs,
saving it.
and just save and just save and just save.
This is, Jesus. That's crazy now. Wow, it's already hot.
Yeah, and then the water will make it hard.
So the water just hardens it real quick.
Hardens
boom.
it real quick, and then you just continue. You form it, you roll it, and you just kind of let things happen. Like right now, the fire went out. I didn't put a lot of toilet paper.
Yeah.
But obviously, you've seen how it gave me the flame.
Yeah, it's heat and embers all the way throughout. I mean,
Yeah, and it's not like toilet paper just burning. It's perfect.
Yeah.
And the flame comes up from the bottom, and it's like a camp. Like you're camping.
It's amazing. I mean, I hate to say it's amazing with toilet paper burning, but I've never seen anything like this. Now, what about the smell of burning? Would it alert any guards, or would you just...
Yeah, but there's burning going on throughout the day. I mean, so it all depends, you know. Depends what prison you're in, what you can do more.
Okay.
So, you know, obviously you're gonna have the smell of smoke, so you gotta be careful, especially if you're in the hole. They're gonna wonder where the smell's coming from. So you gotta kind of know when to do it and when not to do it.
Makes sense. I appreciate it, man. This is ingenious, and you see on the inside the mustard packs just rolled up again, and they're just melted on top of each other, and pretty soon just you keep getting melted, and it's hot. But man, this is like what one of our other guest instructors said when he had a toothbrush shank. He goes, "I'm 6 foot, 245, 250 pounds, because I'm coming at you full power. This is going to do some damage."
Exactly.
And once it's finalized, this is a kind of a last ditch all shank when there's nothing else available, right?
Right.
No razors, no toothbrush, whatever happened. Yeah.
Right.
Crazy. Well, thank you for watching. Thank you for your instruction. That's amazing.